Hello, 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 and welcome to my abode. I am Tracy. Please have a seat, get comfortable, and enjoy yourself. If you like what you see, please subscribe, but please hit that like button.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm outside today for a little bit. It's like a little bit after 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's eclipse day. It looks like evening out here. I've looked up through a pinhole a few times at the sun, but I want to take advantage of this warm weather because we don't get it often and it doesn't stay, and turn my compost for all my vegetables and scraps, fruit scraps and grass, soil, um, weeds, you name it. I started this one, and I got worms, y'all. There's worms in here. I started this one the latter part of the summer and added to it a little bit throughout the winter, and it's been frozen, so I haven't been able to turn it like I should. I've also added coffee grinds, eggshells, banana peels, um, brown paper, the coffee filters, toilet paper rolls, cardboard tore up, and I lined this huge trash can with cardboard. But I can't get to the bottom. I'm trying to get to the bottom and turn this as best I can. I really can't. And that's a cabbage that hasn't broken down. I'm gonna break it up a little bit. Uh-oh. It fell over, but it's still in a good position. Okay. Yeah, I can't get down to the bottom. Well, that's better than it was. Maybe I can get my son to get all the way to the bottom here and turn this over. Okay. Now this can is only like 1/3 full. Got a ways to go. I've got another can that I started at the beginning of the summer last year, beginning of spring. I'm gonna go over to that one and see if I can turn the soil over, the compost over in that one. Okay, here's the other one. And I think it's gonna be a little harder to turn. It's got all kind of stuff in it. Oh, I can barely get in here. Yeah, this top part really needs to go down to the bottom. But I can't get too deep. Maybe if I took all this out, set it on the side, and then get down in there. Maybe that might work. Let me see. Maybe. Not really. Okay, if I can get that to the side, I can get down in here. Oh yeah, I'm having a rough time with this one. Can't get down in there. Okay, y'all. That's enough. I think I'm going to try. Corn on the cob. I think I'm going to try and take this top layer out. Big ass stick. Take this top layer off and then get down in there. I don't know if y'all can see that good soil all the way down there. If I could take all this weeds and whatever and put it in a container and then work at that. Let me try that. Okay. Need gloves for this job. See if I can get this out. Put it in this bucket. Now let me see if I can get down in here. Mix this stuff up. Still can't get too deep. It's compacted. Got some nice soil going on. Once it all decomposes. I kind of want to take it to the very back of my yard and dump these and start a compost pile. But I know that's going to bring a lot of varmints. That's about the best I can do for now, y'all. It's better than it was. Better than it was. Okay. Now, do I put all this crap back in here? I guess. Maybe I'll add some leaves and other stuff. This is taking a long time to decompose. Let me know what else I'm supposed to do. I don't know. So thanks for watching. Happy composting. We're going to see. Got a few more scraps before I close this thing up that I want to just drop in here. Coffee filters, coffee, cilantro pieces, paper towel. All right, I'm done. I'm done. Hit that like button if you haven't, and leave me a comment. Share the video if you care to, and subscribe if you haven't. If you have, I thank you. Have a great day. Peace and love, everybody.